In this video, I am using practice images to help you improve your Describe Image skills. These answers follow the real PTE format. You can apply this in your exam easily. Let's start.
This image shows a beautiful outdoor dining setup in a garden. A table is placed under large trees surrounded by greenery. The table is decorated with candles, flowers, and elegant items. There are string lights hanging above, creating a warm atmosphere. The environment looks calm, peaceful, and relaxing. It appears to be evening time with soft lighting. Everything is well arranged for a special occasion. The place looks romantic and inviting. Overall, the image shows a peaceful outdoor dinner setting.
This image shows 3 people sitting together at a table. They are eating a healthy meal with vegetables and juice. They look comfortable in a home environment. The background includes plants and furniture. They seem happy and relaxed while eating. The table is neatly arranged with food items. It shows a positive and friendly atmosphere. The focus is on healthy eating and togetherness. Overall, the image shows family bonding and a healthy lifestyle.
This image shows a young girl sitting inside a blanket tent. She is reading a book with full concentration. Soft lighting creates a warm and cozy mood. There are toys and cushions around her. The place looks comfortable and safe. She seems calm and focused on reading. The setup looks like a creative reading corner. It reflects imagination and learning. Overall, the image shows a child enjoying reading time.
This image shows a supermarket aisle with many products. There are shelves on both sides. The shelves are filled with food and packaged items. The products are arranged neatly. Price tags are visible on the shelves. The aisle looks clean and organized. Some people are shopping in the background. The lighting is bright and clear. Overall, the image shows a modern shopping environment.
This image shows a couple sitting together at a table. They are enjoying a meal and having a conversation. They are smiling, which shows happiness and comfort. Food and drinks are placed neatly on the table. The background looks like a kitchen or dining area with soft lighting. The environment feels warm and peaceful. Overall, the image shows love, communication, and quality time together.
All answers are in the description below, so make sure to check it out. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more PTE practice.